The Nissan Skyline is preparing for a major comeback as the legendary nameplate approaches its 70th anniversary. First introduced in 1957, the Skyline has become one of Nissan's most recognizable vehicles, and a completely new generation is now just months away from its official debut. Nissan has confirmed that the next Skyline will be revealed this winter, ending the long reign of the current model that has been on sale since 2014. That means the outgoing sedan has spent more than a decade in showrooms, making it one of the oldest vehicles in its segment. One of the most interesting parts of the new Skyline story is how quickly it was developed. According to Nissan, the replacement was created in only 26 months, compared with approximately 55 months for the previous generation. The company credits advanced artificial intelligence systems and modern digital engineering tools for dramatically reducing development time. The upcoming Skyline is expected to remain a sports sedan with 4 doors and a traditional trunk. While Japanese buyers will receive it as a Nissan Skyline, North American customers are expected to see the vehicle arrive under the Infiniti brand. Reports suggest it could serve as the successor to the Infiniti Q50. Performance enthusiasts have another reason to pay attention. Industry reports indicate the new model may use a twin turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, related to the power plant found in the Nissan Z Nismo. If true, the sedan could deliver impressive performance while maintaining the everyday practicality that has made the Skyline popular for decades. Nissan designers are also aiming to blend heritage with modern styling. The new car is expected to feature proportions inspired by classic Skylines while introducing a more aggressive and futuristic appearance. The goal is to honor the past without creating a retro vehicle. The Skyline will not replace the GTR, but Nissan has confirmed that a successor to the current GTR is also under development. While details remain limited, company executives have already indicated that the future performance flagship will continue to use a combustion engine, ensuring that the spirit of Godzilla lives on for another generation.